Hello guys, this is your house fitness. My name is Minyong, and we're gonna go through some shadow boxing. Some shadow boxing is essentially where you're working on your technical, but also knowing what your opponent's techniques are and how they punch, what are they like. So there's two types. First type is like just knowing your technical punches. So jab, straight, you want to work on that. Typically, you want to look at the mirror to see your technique and your forms if it's good. 1, 2. So as you're looking at the mirror, you want to look at yourself, and see how you're looking through your form, you're looking through your techniques, how you're shifting your body weight, your rotational techniques as well. However, the second type is where you're imagining yourself with an opponent in front of you. So if I'm were to verse someone, then I would understand what kind of techniques they're doing. So I go here, 1, 2. I anticipate what kind of punches he would throw, and I execute that. So if I do 1, 2, he throws the 2, I roll under, 1, 2, up 2. So you just want to know and understand your opponent as essential to shadow boxing. So hope you guys enjoy. Link in the description.